Hey guys, how are you? Andy, Sukhu, founder and CEO of Y2K Credit Solutions. So, the coronavirus pandemic is insane. It's nationwide, over the world. The whole world has it now. And, the good thing about it, the financial institutions are trying to work with everyone, and especially the mortgage companies and the credit cards. But this message here and this video is really about the credit card companies, because we all use credit cards. We all have credit cards. We all have prime credit cards, which are very important. Remember that prime credit cards are very important for some of us that have that 750 credit score. We want to maintain those relationships, especially if you left the Y2K program within the last 7 to 10 months with a 750 credit score, and you got prime credit cards, and we advise you how to get it. Those are relationships you want to maintain. But going back to my message is that, across the world, every financial institution is trying to work with their clients, whether it be the mortgage company, the credit card companies, the banks. Everyone's trying to work with everybody, right? Now, I've been getting asked this question a lot within the last week. Credit card companies are saying, I don't have to make my payments for 3 months. They're willing to waive the fees and not report negative off my credit report. Yes, they're willing to work with you and help you, but also it comes with condition, and it comes with a lot of conditions. And one of the conditions, that's not a free ride. Some of us, and I know the clients that called me about it, some of us can make the payments. We have the financial stability to make the payments. But just because the banks are saying we're willing to work with you, you don't have to make the payments this month, they don't want to make it. And I don't think that's a good idea. Just because you don't have to make the payment this month, that does not mean you don't have to pay it at all for this month. The payment that was due this month goes onto the back of your balance. So it's not taking away your obligation from the credit card company. You still have to pay. They're just giving you a space. They're giving you like a gap there because of what's going on. Now, I don't suggest you do that. If you can make the payments, I think you should make the payments. Now, with the credit card companies, they said they're not going to report you 30, 60, 90 days. And I think that's a great thing that they're doing. And with that being said, if you're not able to make the payments on this, if you're able to make the payments but you don't want to make the payments, that's not a good thing. But if you have to make the payment and you have to make the payment like maybe 10, 15 days later, I'd rather you take that option and make the payment opposed to not making the payment at all. You understand what I'm saying? If you can make the payments and you can, if you can make the payments and you have the means to do so, I think you should do it. But if you want to make it and you're going to be a little late, I still think you should make the payment even if you're 10, 15 days late, opposed to not making the payment at all. One, you're keeping the relationship with the bank. You're keeping your credit score intact. You're keeping your balances low. Well, your payments on time, so your balances are coming down. So, there's more perks to you actually making a payment or opposed to using this as an advantage and as a free ride. And it's not really a free ride. There's going to be more content on our YouTube channel. Click the link in the bio if you have any questions. Also, I post a few quick tips on our Y2K IGTV and channel for you guys to see, okay? If you have any questions, leave a message. Talk to you soon.